Maurizio Trento is the CEO of GPI and is waiting for us. We are still at Gulf Manufacturing 2023. Maurizio, what does it mean being a customer of GPI?
Being a customer of GPI means to live a full experience, 360 degrees. Means to have full support in terms of technology, in terms of packaging, in terms of solutions and system process.
Which are the main values of your company?
GPI main values are the persons that work for us. So starting from the sales, passing through the process of technical engineering manager, system automation managers, marketing managers, and then down till the production floor, passing through the technical office.
And there is any new lines that you are proposing to the international market?
There are some new informations and innovations that we'd like to say, which are new machines that we are developing right now with the electrical cabinet integrated on the system, with new systems for robotic units and new systems for cartoning machines that will be developed 2024.
Relating the market, the local area, we are speaking about Middle East. Of course, we are all together here. It's not the first time. How much important is for GPI the Middle East market?
Middle East market is extremely important because we are very strong on that market, as we have based here in Dubai, and we are based also with agents in Saudi Arabia. So the market is very important for our food division.
You attended to a very huge number, yearly speaking, of exhibitions. Which are the next?
Next exhibition will be Anuga 2024.
So we'll meet there.
We will meet there.
Thank you so much, Maurizio Trento, and thank you to GPI.
Thank you.